Looking for a gaming mouse that delivers lightning-fast responsiveness without weighing you down? The lightest miniature mouse on the market is here, packing serious power into a compact design. At 10% smaller than the popular Viper and weighing just 61 grams, it offers precision and speed with an 8500 dpi optical sensor that meets the demands of serious gamers. No need for drilling holes or sacrificing durability like some competitors. What sets this mouse apart? Its optical switches register clicks at the speed of light, far faster than traditional mechanical switches. This means every button press is instantaneous, giving you absolute control in high-stakes moments. Whether you're in a fast-paced shooter or an intense strategy game, you'll notice the difference right away. Customization is another strong suit. With 16.8 million chroma RGB color options and underglow effects, you can personalize your setup to match your style. The included preset profiles make it easy to switch between looks without fuss. Plus, 6 programmable buttons let you assign complex macros through Razer Synapse 3, streamlining your gameplay and boosting efficiency. One common gripe with wired mice is drag, but this mouse's Razer SpeedFlex cable changes the game. It's designed to feel almost wireless by drastically reducing weight and drag. No need for bulky mouse bungees holding you back. You get smooth, unrestricted movement that keeps up with your fastest reflexes. Users rave about the smoothness and responsiveness straight out of the box. Compared to typical office mice, and even many gaming mice, this one stands out for its superior DPI options and polling rate. The Synapse software is refreshingly clean and resource-friendly, making it simple to adjust DPI, program macros, and create RGB patterns without any bloat or lag. Setting up macros is where this mouse really shines. Imagine automating tasks you do repeatedly every day with just a click. It's like having a secret weapon that saves you time and effort, whether you're gaming or working. If you're the kind of person who values precision, speed, and customization, this mouse is worth a look. Ready to upgrade your gaming experience? This miniature mouse offers what serious gamers want: lightweight design, blazing fast response, and deep customization. If that's you, it's time to try it when you're ready and feel the difference yourself.